Guys, hopes everybody is doing well. In this video update, we will talk about BTC on the higher time frames, the specific 4-hour trend, and I will also talk about the swing short position in which I have shared in the VIP lounge as well. What I'm planning, and what's basically happening with this liquidity sitting right here, with this liquidity sitting around 90k, and also this swing long position which I opened at 76.7k. I targeted 88.7k, and today that target is hit, and I hope it makes sense for you guys as well. I shared this on 8th of April, and it's in front of you guys what just happened. So guys, before wasting any time, let's get going. So guys, before every single thing, you guys need to understand, at first our target was this, if you guys remember, and our target is completely hit, guys, completely and beautifully hit right now, which we were targeting. But I have extended my prices, like I have extended my TP. Why? I will tell you why. And basically, if I show you right here, this is my VIP lounge, and this is just yesterday I called out this swing short position. The first entry was 88.7k, 89.9k was the second entry. The first entry was tapped, and before second TP and SL, we hit our first TP, that is 87.9k, and right now we are trading again above this area. This is our short position. Our short position was triggered today, and our first TP was hit into this area. And now we will be planning, either we will close this short position at entry, and then we will wait for our second entry and then lower prices, whatever. This can happen, and I will talk about this, why I am saying all of this stuff. And secondly, I have already told you guys very important stuff, that on 8th of April I called out this swing long position. Everybody was bearish at that time. I told you guys that we can definitely go for this, and the way we triggered, after that we dipped to the downside, and then right now the results are in front of you guys. Full TP is hit on this trade, and if I show you 80, like almost what you say, like almost 1900% profits. So whatever, in my previous updates I told you that this is a higher high, this is a basic higher high, and I told you guys the trend is bullish. The trend is bullish. Higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low. And I told you guys when we were trading right here, I was short from this area. I told you guys the higher time frame is bullish, and we can look for a higher high. And the next week started, and we pumped to the upside. And I have mentioned every single thing. The trend is bullish. The point is, if we flip this and then we retest this as a support, then we will look easily for 95k. For now, we are at the main resistance. This box is a main resistance. From here till 90k is a main resistance zone, from where we can definitely get a rejection all the way up to 85k. But if we flip 90k and then a bullish retest back to 88 to 90k, then we can definitely target 95k. That's why I am leaving this long position for higher prices. And our target, easy target, this was a 15% move on BTC, has already been hit. So guys, if you guys want to trade with me, my lifetime, there is a big discount on lifetime. It's usually $250, but for now till April end it's $130. And if you guys want to join my course and lifetime, it's just $230. So this is basically what we are doing for now. Maybe as I talked about this on my Discord, you guys can exactly see this major liquidity is forming. A lot of shorts are filing up, and their SLs are exactly right here, and maybe their liquidations as well. So because of this liquidity, we can see a surge of price, and that's why we are holding. Otherwise, we were holding these sort of bearish divergences, 4-hour bearish, 1-hour bearish divergences. But the price is holding very well because of the liquidity. Maybe we sweep this liquidity, and then later on we dip to the downside. But there has to be a dump after this sort of a pump. This is a big imbalance right here, and this imbalance has to be filled later on, and maybe right now. And the imbalance is between 86.6k all the way up to 85k, and this imbalance will be filled later on or maybe now. But specifically, a good move would be a price liquidation, take all of the liquidity, and then the price dump to the downside. This would be a perfect move for the VIP lounge. after our first TP, maybe we should close this trade at our entry, and if we search the price, maybe we will short